Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you own an iPhone Pro Max and suddenly see a message saying, unknown part, under the camera section, don't panic. This issue has become increasingly common on iPhone models starting from the iPhone 12 Pro Max all the way up to the latest iPhone 17 Pro Max, and today I'll explain exactly what it means, why it happens, and what you should do next. The unknown part warning appears when your iPhone detects that the camera module installed does not match Apple's internal verification system. Apple introduced a feature called parts pairing, which digitally links original hardware components like the camera, display, and battery to the iPhone's logic board. If the system can't verify that connection, it flags the part as unknown. This usually happens after a camera replacement, even if the replacement camera is genuine Apple hardware. If it wasn't installed by Apple or an Apple-authorized service provider, the phone may still show this warning. In some cases, the message can also appear after severe physical damage, water exposure, or a major iOS update that rechecks hardware authenticity. Now, the important question, does this mean your camera is fake or broken? Not necessarily. In most cases, the camera will still work normally. You'll still be able to take photos, record videos, and use portrait mode. However, certain advanced features may be limited. Things like cinematic video accuracy, night mode optimization, or future calibration updates might not perform exactly as intended. Apple displays this message mainly for transparency and security reasons. It's their way of letting users know that the device no longer has a fully verified hardware configuration. While this doesn't immediately damage your phone, it can affect resale value and may cause issues if you seek official Apple support later. So how do you fix it? The only permanent solution is to have the camera replaced or repaired by Apple or an Apple-authorized service center. They use special tools to properly pair the camera module with your iPhone's logic board. Unfortunately, there is no software trick or setting that can remove the unknown part warning permanently. So the unknown part camera message on iPhone Pro Max models from the 12 through the 17 series is not a disaster, but it is a warning you shouldn't ignore. Your phone will still function, but for full performance, reliability, and peace of mind, official servicing is the best route. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you're facing this issue on your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.